Hello everyone! Guess what? I'm packing my bags because Germany awaits. I've always dreamt of exploring its historic cities, trying its famous food, and soaking up its rich culture. From the towering castles of Bavaria to the bustling streets of Berlin, Germany promises a tapestry of experiences. I can't wait to wander through charming villages, marvel at architectural wonders, and perhaps even learn a few German phrases along the way. This journey is sure to be unforgettable, filled with new sights, sounds, and tastes. Off we go! After a long flight, we've landed in Frankfurt. The air is crisp and I can already feel the excitement bubbling up. The Frankfurt airport is bustling with travelers from all over the world, their voices creating a symphony of languages. We navigate through the airport with ease, collecting our bags and heading towards the city center. Frankfurt, with its modern skyline and historic charm, is our first taste of Germany, and I can't wait to see what adventures await us here. Our journey takes us along the majestic Rhine River, its waters reflecting the changing colors of the sky. We're headed to Cologne, a city renowned for its stunning cathedral and warm hospitality. As we approach the city, the Cologne Cathedral dominates the skyline, its twin spires piercing the heavens. This Gothic masterpiece is a testament to human artistry and faith, and I can't wait to explore its hallowed halls. Cologne is a feast for the senses, especially for the taste buds. We indulge in traditional German cuisine, savoring the hearty flavors of bratwurst, sauerkraut, and pretzels. The aroma of freshly baked bread fills the air, tempting us into local bakeries. Of course, no trip to Cologne is complete without sampling Kolsch, the city's signature beer, served in small cylindrical glasses. Each sip is a refreshing taste of local culture. Our next stop takes place in a city of history and art. That's right, it's Berlin, the capital of Germany. Berlin is a city that seamlessly blends its rich historical heritage with a vibrant modern culture. As we arrive, the city's dynamic energy is palpable. This vibrant city pulsates with energy. Its streets a captivating blend of old and new. Walking through Berlin, you can feel the heartbeat of a city that has seen so much change and transformation. From the modern architecture that stands tall and proud, to the historic buildings that whisper tales of the past, Berlin is a city of contrasts. The streets are lined with cafes and shops, where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the city's unique atmosphere. Street art adds a splash of color to the urban landscape, reflecting Berlin's creative spirit. We wander through the Brandenburg Gate, its imposing structure standing as a symbol of German reunification. This iconic landmark, once a symbol of division, now represents the unity and resilience of the German people. As we pass through its grand arches, we are reminded of the historical events that have shaped this city. The Brandenburg Gate is not just a monument, it is a testament to Berlin's enduring spirit. At night, the gate is beautifully illuminated, casting a warm glow that invites visitors to reflect on the city's journey. The East Side Gallery, a preserved section of the Berlin Wall transformed into an open-air art gallery, serves as a powerful reminder of the city's past. Each mural tells a story, capturing the hopes, dreams, and struggles of a divided city. As we walk along the gallery, we are transported back in time, to an era when the wall stood as a barrier between East and West. Today, the East Side Gallery stands as a symbol of freedom and artistic expression, drawing visitors from around the world to witness its powerful messages. Berlin's art scene is equally impressive, with world-class museums and galleries showcasing a diverse range of artistic expressions. Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to some of the most renowned museums in the world. Here you can explore a vast array of artworks, from ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces. Each museum offers a unique perspective on art and history, making Berlin a haven for art lovers. The city's galleries are equally captivating, featuring works by both established and emerging artists. Whether you're a history buff or an art enthusiast, Berlin's cultural offerings are sure to leave a lasting impression. We now travel to the heart of Bavaria to explore Munich. Nestled in the heart of southern Germany, Munich is a city that effortlessly blends the old with the new. As we soar above the city, the sprawling urban landscape reveals a tapestry of history and innovation, a testament to its rich cultural heritage and forward-thinking spirit. Munich, the capital of Bavaria, welcomes us with open arms and a warm Grüß Gott. The locals, known for their friendliness and hospitality, make every visitor feel at home. As we wander through the streets, the cheerful greetings and welcoming smiles remind us of the city's deep-rooted traditions and the genuine warmth of its people. This charming city is a delightful mix of tradition and modernity. From the sleek contemporary buildings that symbolize Munich's role as a technological hub, to the centuries-old structures that tell tales of its storied past, the cityscape is a harmonious blend of contrasts. Each corner we turn reveals a new facet of Munich's unique character. We explore the Marienplatz, Munich's central square, with its iconic Glockenspiel, a focal point for both locals and tourists. The square, bustling with activity, is the heart of the city, where history and daily life intersect. The majestic buildings surrounding the square stand as silent witnesses to the many events that have shaped Munich over the centuries. A masterpiece of clockwork that comes alive with figurines reenacting historical events. As the clock strikes, the figures move in a mesmerizing dance, telling stories of Munich's past. It's a spectacle that captivates onlookers, drawing them into the rich tapestry of the city's history. No trip to Munich is complete without experiencing a traditional Bavarian beer garden, a quintessential part of the local culture. These gardens are more than just places to enjoy a cold beer. They are social hubs where friends and strangers alike come together to share stories, laughter, and the simple joys of life. Where we raise our steins of beer and toast to good company and unforgettable experiences. The clinking of glasses, the hearty laughter, and the sense of camaraderie create an atmosphere that is both festive and welcoming. It's in these moments that we truly understand the spirit of Munich, a city that celebrates life in all its vibrant forms. I meet the locals and experience a tapestry of kindness. Throughout our journey, it's the warmth and kindness of the German people that truly touch our hearts. From the friendly locals who offer directions with a smile to the shopkeepers who engage in lively conversations, we're met with genuine hospitality at every turn. These encounters remind us that travel is not just about seeing new places, but also about connecting with people from all walks of life. Oh yes, I almost forgot to mention, I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. I hope you find them useful. Lost in translation. And loving it. Of course, no adventure is complete without a few unexpected twists and turns. One day we find ourselves delightfully lost in a charming village. Our attempts at speaking German met with laughter and helpful gestures. Despite the language barrier, we managed to communicate, proving that smiles and laughter are truly universal languages. These unplanned moments often lead to the most cherished memories, reminding us to embrace the unknown and find joy in the journey. Please remember that it's free to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Thank you. Until we meet again, Germany. As our journey comes to an end, I find myself reflecting on the incredible experiences we've shared. Each moment in Germany has been a revelation. Germany has exceeded all expectations, captivating us with its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. The ancient castles perched on hilltops, the cobblestone streets of quaint villages, and the modern vibrancy of its beautiful cities. From the soaring spires of Cologne Cathedral, which stand as a testament to human ingenuity and faith, to the intricate details of its Gothic architecture that tells stories of centuries past, to the lively beer gardens of Munich, where laughter and camaraderie fill the air, and the clinking of glasses echoes the joy of shared moments. Each moment has left an imprint on our hearts. The smiles of fellow travelers, the warmth of the locals, and the beauty of the landscapes have all woven together to create a rich tapestry of memories. As we bid farewell to this enchanting country, we do so with a sense of gratitude and wonder. We carry with us not just souvenirs, but also memories that will last a lifetime. Each trinket and keepsake is a reminder of the places we've been and the stories we've heard, a tangible connection to the moments that have touched our hearts. Until we meet again, Germany, your beauty, history, and spirit will remain with us, inspiring us to return and discover even more of your hidden treasures. Farewell but not goodbye.